Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, base enclosure, wireless module, USB board, primary storage drive, subwoofer, front speakers, fan, system board, and display panel assembly. Removal: remove the screw covers from the bottom corners of the display panel. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the display panel to the display enclosure. Carefully separate the edges of the display panel from the display enclosure. Caution: take care not to scratch the display panel screen. Remove the display panel. Replacement: place the display panel into position on the display enclosure. Important: ensure that the wireless antenna and display panel cables are free from being pinched between the display panel and display enclosure. Carefully apply pressure around the outside edges of the display panel until it snaps onto the display enclosure. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the display panel to the display enclosure. Place the two screw covers into position on the bottom corners of the display panel.